Have you ever heard this sound while on an airplane before? Hi there, aviation enthusiasts and curious travelers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most intriguing and often misunderstood sounds you might hear on an Airbus. That's right, we're talking about that mysterious barking noise. Now, this sound comes from the power transfer unit, also known as the PTU. Now, before knowing what it is used for, let us understand the hydraulic systems in an Airbus. Now, the hydraulics consists of three independent systems named in colors green, blue, and yellow. Now, if you guys aren't sure about what the hydraulics are used for, just know that they are used to control the actuators for various flight controls without which we couldn't fly the airplane. The green system is powered by a hydraulic pump present in engine number 1, whereas the yellow system is powered by a hydraulic pump present in engine number 2. The blue system, however, is powered by an electric pump, and it can also be powered by the ram air turbine. Now, each of the three hydraulic systems normally operates at 3000 psi. Here, the PTU is used to manage the pressure difference between the green and the yellow hydraulic systems. If the pressure between the two systems exceeds 500 psi, the PTU pressurizes the system with the lower pressure to maintain equilibrium. And that is when you hear this sound. Since all of you are now familiar with the sound of the PTU and why it makes it, let us discuss as to why it's mostly heard during engine start and post-arrival taxi. The main reason we hear it during engine start is because we start the engines one at a time. Since we cannot start both the engines simultaneously, there is a difference in pressure when one engine is starting while the other is still at idle. This is when the PTU kicks in to maintain the pressure differential between the green and yellow system. Now let us consider the case of arrival. Some airlines employ a one-engine taxi procedure in order to save fuel, in which only one engine is used during taxi while the other one is switched off. According to the checklist, it asks us to turn off engine number 2 and to switch on the yellow electric pump. This is done so that the yellow hydraulic system can remain pressurized despite engine shutdown. After we reach our parking position at the gate, the checklist clearly states to switch off the yellow electric pump and then to shut down engine number 1. As we turn the yellow electric pump off, and before the shutdown of engine 1, there exists a brief moment in time where the yellow pressure drops while the green system is still pressurized. As usual, the PTU kicks in to maintain the pressure in the yellow hydraulic system. Now, there are also certain rare cases in which the PTU noise is heard. For example, in the following video, the PTU noise is heard during the initial ascent of the aircraft. The most probable cause of this might be the high demand for functions during the takeoff roll that require hydraulic pressure, such as the retraction of the landing gear, elevator pitching up, etc. So that is all for this video. Hopefully all of you learnt a lot about the Airbus hydraulic systems. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Take care and goodbye.